And these are the latest developments here in the Ambani explosives case. Sachin Vajay, in fact, NIA has got Vajay's custody until the 25th of March. Those are the details coming in. So that is the latest development here. More than 10 days of custody as far as NIA is concerned with respect to Sachin Vajay. Those are the details coming in. Let me go across to Mayuresh for more on this. Mayuresh, take us through what the latest is.
Till 25th of March, NIA has got the custody of Sachin Vajay in the Ambani bomb threat case. He was produced just a while back, and today in front of the holiday court, and holiday court has given the remand to NIA of Sachin Vajay till 25th. The more details, even we are waiting, because as I said, that due to COVID protocols, the court administration didn't allow the reporters as well as other people. Only people who were connected to this case, they were only allowed. And even we did try to speak with both the lawyers, but they only confirmed that till 25th of March, the NIA has got the custody, but they didn't reveal much in that what exactly happened in the court and what was the argument.
All right, Mayuresh, thank you for getting us all of those latest details. That's as far as the development with respect to Sachin Vajay. Remember, he had been suspended as well earlier on and then arrested over this entire case. And in the latest development here, reaction coming in from Devendra Fadnavis over this entire case. In fact, Fadnavis has said that the current Maharashtra government brought Vajay back. And in fact, how will the police maintain law if they're involved in crime? That is what Devendra Fadnavis is saying on this latest development. Let's in fact listen in.
एंटीलिया बॉम्ब केस में जिस प्रकार से चीज़ें बाहर आई है और सचिन वाजे एपीआई इनको जिस प्रकार से अरेस्ट हुई है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इससे सरकार के ऊपर एक सवालिया निशान पैदा हुआ है। विशेष रूप से हम लगातार ये कह रहे थे कि ये बहुत गंभीर घटना है और सचिन वाजे के ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, लेकिन उस समय मुख्यमंत्री जी और गृह मंत्री जी केवल उनका बचाव कर रहे थे, मानो उनके वकील हो। इस प्रकार से उस संदर्भ में बातें हो रही थी। लेकिन अब जो चीज़ें बाहर आ रही है, ये सारी चीज़ें गंभीर है और मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ अभी तो बहुत कम चीज़ें बाहर आई है और ये तो अभी एक ही एंगल इसका बाहर आया है, मनसुख हिरेन जी की हत्या। ये जो एंगल है ये तो उससे भी बहुत ज़्यादा मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि गंभीर है, जो भी बाहर आना बाकी है और जो बाहर आएगा तब ध्यान में आएगा कि इसमें कौन कौन लोग लिप्त है, इसके पीछे की मंशा क्या है। एक और सवाल मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो एपीआई वाजे है, ये करीब 16 सालों से सस्पेंडेड थे और उनको हाईकोर्ट ने सस्पेंड किया था। और जब वो हाईकोर्ट ने सस्पेंड किया, जिस समय मैं गृह मंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री था, उस समय भी शिवसेना के नेताओं ने आकर इनको वापस लिया जाए इस प्रकार की मांग रखी थी। उस समय मैंने एडवोकेट जनरल जी को वो पूरी फाइल दिखाई थी और उन्होंने मुझे सलाह दी थी कि ये हाईकोर्ट से सस्पेंडेड है और इस प्रकार से इनको नहीं लिया जा सकता। लेकिन बावजूद उसके जैसे ये नई सरकार आई तो नई सरकार ने कोरोना का बहाना देकर उनको वापस लिया और केवल वापस नहीं लिया तो जो क्राइम इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट है, जो मुंबई पुलिस का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण अंग है और जिस पर हमेशा पीआई रहता है उसका प्रमुख, तो रातों रात पीआई को हटाकर जो 16 साल से सस्पेंडेड है ऐसे एपीआई को उसका प्रमुख बनाया गया और सारी जितने उसके बाद प्रमुख केसेस है वो भी केसेस उनको दी गई। और ये भी यहाँ पर मैंने बताना चाहिए कि जिस समय वो सस्पेंडेड थे उस समय शिवसेना में उन्होंने प्रवेश किया था, शिवसेना के प्रवक्ता के रूप में भी उन्होंने काम किया था। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है एक प्रकार से केवल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपने हित के लिए इस प्रकार का कार्य ये बहुत ही गलत बात है और इसमें से हमारे सरकार की, हमारे पुलिस की इमेज भी खराब होती है और इसमें सत्य अभी आधा ही बाहर आया है। हम अपेक्षा करते हैं कि पूरा सत्य जल्दी बाहर आएगा।
Meanwhile, the other big development here is with regard to what the NIA has said about the car that was taken to the NIA last night. In fact, NIA confirming to Mirror Now that Innova car that was brought yesterday was it does in fact belong to the Mumbai police, and it is the same car which was seen tailing the black Scorpio in which the 20 gelatin sticks, those explosives, was found next to Ambani's residence. So those are the details at this point in time. Let me go across to Sandhya for more on this. Sandhya, if you can take us through the latest as far as this specific development is concerned, because this now throws a whole lot of new questions open.
Absolutely. See, important update here which came in today. So last night actually NIA officials brought an Innova to NIA office located in Mumbai southern area where NIA office is. So one Innova car was brought there, and NIA has confirmed to Mirror now that not only that Innova actually belongs to Mumbai Police Crime Branch Department, but that is the same vehicle which was used and which was actually seen tailing the Scorpio. So according to NIA, this is the same vehicle which was allegedly used as a getaway vehicle for the Scorpio driver. In fact, before I actually took over the case, it was in a case, and then last time ATS was doing it. Both the agencies also said the same thing, that an Innova is seen in the CCTV footage tailing Scorpio, and both the agencies felt that that vehicle, that Innova, was actually used as a getaway vehicle. Once the Scorpio was parked there, that Innova helped the Scorpio driver to escape the spot. Now, NIA has actually not only NIA traced the location of that Innova, NIA brought it to NIA officers, brought it to NIA office, and confirmed that the same vehicle which was seen tailing the Scorpio, and it belongs to Mumbai Police Crime Branch Department. Avni.
Mumbai cop Sachin Waze challenges the Sessions Court order. In fact, Waze's legal team challenges the grounds of arrest. His team has now approached the Bombay High Court. Mayuresh is tracking the details for us. So Mayuresh, even as we are reporting about the extension of custody till the 25th of March, there's this other development which is happening on Sachin Waje's team also going ahead and challenging the grounds of his arrest. Details on this, please.
Absolutely, because Sachin Waze's team is going to approach the Bombay High Court regarding the order, or we can say the remand, which the NIA court given today till 25th of March, and they will be approaching Bombay High Court against this order.
Okay, yes, we have more breaking information coming in on this story. Stay with us, Mayuresh. Well, Minister of State for Home Kishan Reddy has made a statement today on this entire case, saying that law will take its own course. Let the NIA investigate the case. NIA will investigate as per norms. Let's listen in to G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of State for Home Affairs.
Law will take own course. आज पर जो NIA के जो नाम्स है, वो नाम्स के आधार पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा।
सर, संजय राउत कह रहे हैं सेंटर की जो एजेंसीज हैं वो इंटरफेयर कर रही हैं,
उनका दखलंदाजी है जिसकी वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है,
इंटरफेरेंस कर रही है इन्वेस्टिगेशन में।
जो ऐसे टेररिस्ट इंसिडेंट्स के ऊपर देश भर में जिधर भी होते हैं, NIA को पूरा अधिकार है। अभी पहली बार नहीं है, मुंबई में पहले भी बहुत बार इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर चुके हैं NIA के पास केसेस भी है। नॉट ओनली इन मुंबई, देश भर में जो भी क्रिमिनल केसेस होते हैं, टेररिस्ट केसेस होते हैं, उस केसेस में टेररिस्ट लिंक रहते हैं, उसमें ज़रूर NIA उस विषय पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन बहुत बार कर चुके हैं, अभी भी कर रहे हैं। ऐसा कोई स्पेशल बॉम्बे के पुलिस के ऊपर हो, दूसरे प्रांत के सरकार के ऊपर हो, ऐसा उस दृष्टिकोण में NIA कभी नहीं देखते हैं। ओनली NIA टेररिस्ट एंगल पे ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते हैं, उसमें समझना चाहिए।
इस मामले महाराष्ट्र पुलिस के एक इंस्पेक्टर जो अधिकारी है, उनका नाम सामने है, उनको NIA अगर अरेस्ट कर रही है NTA में जो बम स्क्वायर हुआ था, आपको लगता है गंभीर मामला है
और भी लोगों से पूछताछ चल रही
शामिल है,
इसलिए इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं ना, गंभीर मामला है बोल के इसलिए इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं। वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पूरा डिटेल सामने आएंगे।
Mumbai Police Chief now says Sachin Waje to be suspended. Mumbai Commissioner of Police says that suspension order will be issued tomorrow. Mumbai Police has sought an NIA report on Sachin Waje. He is arrested in the Ambani explosives case. Sandhya joining us. on the phone line. Sandhya, you broke this news earlier today that the Innova vehicle, which was first, spotted in the CCTV footage, happens to belong to the Mumbai crime branch. Now that changes a lot of things, and that raises a lot more suspicion now on Sachin Vaje's involvement. The fact that now the Mumbai Police Commissioner has also ordered his suspension, that's big news. Details on this, please, Sandhya, bring us up to speed with the latest on this case.
Afrida, absolutely right. Sachin Vaje's suspension was something which was being demanded by leader of opposition Devendra Fadnavis and BJP since last almost 10 days. Now, if we talk about the developments which have taken place recently, yesterday he was arrested. Today he was produced in the court. The court has sent him to NIA custody till 25th of March. Now, considering all this, Mumbai Police, as per the procedure, has written to NIA getting details of their allegations against Sachin Vaje. And once NIA will give that, will reply, Sachin Vaje's suspension order will be issued. Now, the police commissioner of Mumbai Police Force has told Mirror now that the suspension order will be issued tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, Sachin Vaje will be suspended from Mumbai Police Force. Remember, Sachin Vaje was reinstated last year itself. He actually faced a suspension of almost 17 years because of Khwaja Yunus murder case. And it was only last year he was reinstated by Mumbai Police, citing corona as one of the reasons. Mumbai Police said that they want all the hands on the desk. In fact, Mumbai Police received a lot of flake for reinstating him. But after within a span of 1 year, now he will be suspended once again tomorrow once the orders will be issued. Afrida.